Hi there, I am Partha Bhattacharya from Hub Skills, and in this tutorial I am going to explain 3 easy steps you can take to customize a free WordPress theme to make it uniquely yours. I am going to use the 2016 theme that you can install for free from WordPress, and I'll have the homepage displaying the latest posts because I do not yet have a static homepage. As you can see here, this can be set up in the reading settings. There is one point I must mention here. It's always better to create a child theme before you make changes in the parent theme. And I have explained that in my article, Step-by-Step Guide to Create a Child Theme for WordPress. For now, let's proceed with the present lesson. Okay, this is the default homepage for 2016 theme. And this is what it will look like after the customization is done to the home page, which I'm going to explain now. If you look closely at the new design, you will notice we are going to change 3 things. Change color, change image, and change the fonts. Let's begin. Coming back to the dashboard, I will click on Customize. Now on this page that comes, I will be changing the colors. Have a look at the different base color schemes that come with 2016 theme. This option may not be there for other themes. There are different colors available, and in each case, all the colors change for page background, link, text, etc. If you do not want any of these colors, don't worry. You can change the colors using any of the color schemes. Let's use the default scheme to change colors. I'm going to do it manually. That is what you see me doing now. Next, I will change the header image. Though I do not change it here, I decided to change it in the final changed theme. Changing the image is easy. Finally, it's time to change the fonts. This can be done by changing the styles of the fonts using additional CSS codes here. This I have explained in detail in my blog post, URL given below. Click on the link to find out the changed CSS codes for the fonts for headline, navigation menu, body, post title, etc. You can use the same codes in case you want to use the 2016 theme and this changed look for your needs. So go ahead, click the link to read the post. That's all for this tutorial. All the very best to you.